Hello everyone. In today's class we will learn about taxonomic categories of class 11 biology. As you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 categories are there, and the first category is kingdom. It is the highest category. All animals belonging to various phyla are included in kingdom. Next, phylum or division. Fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds along with mammals belongs to phylum, and they have common features like notochord and dorsal hollow system. Next class, monkey, gorilla and gibbon are placed. Next order, plant families like Convolvulaceae, Solanaceae are included. Next family, characterized on vegetative and reproductive features of plant species. Next genus, comprise a group of related species which has more characters in comparison to species of other genera. Potato, tomato, brinjal are different species but belongs to genus Solam. Next species. Taxonomic study considers a group of individual organisms with fundamental similarities as a species. Thank you.